Teachers of Reddit, what was the most unfair punishment you have ever seen? About 10 years ago during my first few years of teaching there was a big situation in one of the classrooms beside mine. It was just after lunch when all of my students' heads turned to the sounds of screaming and banging. Turns out, a boy on the spectrum and a popular kid happened to get into a fight. There was a video of it all and basically, the spectrum kid started nagging at the other kid and threatening to fight him. The popular kid said out loud multiple times that he didn't want to fight whatsoever. Then, the spectrum kid began punching the other in the face. During this, the popular kid was looking at the teacher and saying, "If you don't stop this, I'm going to defend myself," all the while being punched directly in the face. The teacher continued to sit there without doing anything, so, like any other reasonable human being would, the popular kid defended himself. He nailed him 3 solid times in the face, and then put him in a submissive hold until he felt it was safe to release. After the fact, when both of them were in the office, it was made clear that the popular kid would be suspended and the spectrum kid would be getting off without a scratch. Apparently there was a big argument